let's see what we can find at this last yard sale. The day is not over yet. All right, first yard sale of the day. Oh, look at that little selfie booth. Primarily women's stuff?
Huh?
All women's stuff, I take it then, or?
There's some men's stuff on that rack.
Okay.
But a lot of it is junior stuff.
Got it, no problem. Anybody stop by yet?
Oh yeah, we had a big rush this
Oh,
morning.
nice. All right, second yard sale. Let's see what we got. Lots of toys so far. Let's see. Anything good? Lots of toys.
You want to show your easel? What? Your easel on your papers?
We don't find anything here. All right, sales down. Nothing to go yet. We'll see. Keep going. All right, guys. So just went to the third yard sale. They asked me not to film there, so we'll not be showing you. Did not pick up anything. This is normal, but it is January, so they're all a little bit far apart, but we'll keep going. Let's see, we got to find something to sell makeup and at least pay for gas. But what about the gas? I'm not ready as. Legends.
I think it's from the 60s. Yeah.
Wow.
The guy I got it from bought it in 1970.
Oops, they started playing music, guys. Sorry. Couldn't record. All right. How are you? Number 6, there's the Ouija boards. Ages 8 and up. No.
That is cute. I like that one. How much? Okay.
So I'm pretty sure that guy was actually a reseller. I've been to that auction, to a yard sale there before, I think. Anyway, didn't really find anything, but check some stuff out. We'll see. Maybe I'll come back at some other point. Nothing really I could make money on, unfortunately. But talk to them afterwards and maybe build a relationship and see if we can find some interest. Number 7. Ooh. Hey, Snoopy.
Hey, all the shoes are $1. All the clothes are $1.
If those gold ones were men's, I'd grab them.
Whenever it was happening, I was like, Keith, it's I have to tell him. All the clothes are $1 and all the shoes are $1.
How much is the you saw in the rock star?
Keith, how much are you selling?
Yes, they're brand new. They're $50, brand new in the box.
Okay.
Yeah. This one's just for display.
Got it. No.
All of those are $1.
Okay, guys, so I just went through to my 8th yard sale and I actually finally picked something up. Yay! So I picked up Madden 16 and I picked up MLB 15, the show. And then I picked up a book, The E-Myth Revisited by Michael Gerber. I've actually read that book before many years ago. It's about creating the processes in your business, and since that's something I'm working on, I decided to get it again. I'll actually put a link to it on Amazon below if you want to check out, and that will be an affiliate link, obviously. They were $4 for all of them. I got the games for $2 each, and I got them to throw in the book. So finally we bought something, and I think I can make about $5 each off the game, so not much of anything, but when it's a day like today, might as well try to grab what you can. All right, I'm taking a second because I love this house, and I would pull this out. What I would do is I would actually take this and I would, you can see there, the porch does not connect. I would actually expand that out and create that so that the porch was more of a wraparound to this side. But I love porches, and this is just a beautiful little house right here. Could use some landscaping, but if this ever goes up on sale, I'm hoping I can buy something like this. And look, see, we got a little porch on top up there to use. Just gorgeous little house.
Anybody speak English? I mean, Spanish? No, it's brand new. Tell her.
The van life
Oh, brand
companion.
new. See?
Ooh, I might buy that for myself.
Nueva. Okay, I'm gonna write it down. Yeah, they're all $20 because they're all brand new. Only this one, 20. That one is from Italy. This is 100%. The reason why is like that because people. If I want to do it, I rather buy this. This is all mine. Like I never use them. All this thing I.
Okay, guys, I just found one last sale I'm going to try. It's got a ton of Lego stuff. Maybe I can get some great deals and send those into Amazon and maybe make some money. Let's hope. It's got a lot of $10 stuff, so let's see what we can find at this last yard sale. The day is not over yet. Lots of Legos, but I already talked to the guy. Unfortunately, we're just too close on price for me to make anything on it. Nice guy. He gets really good deals. He's like us. He's just buying and reselling. Hey guys, so I completely forgot to film an ending to that. But as you can see, unfortunately it didn't work out with that guy. One thing you didn't see is that I bought a couple things at the 9th yard sale I went to. I'll show you those. I think I can actually at least make my gas money back off of these. So I got this Core sign and then this Pilsner Urkel sign, both these mirrors here, and I think hopefully those will sell fairly well. I don't know what kind of price they'll go for, but it should make at least gas money back. So didn't have a ton of luck yard selling in January, but I'll keep at it, and because again, it's that one find, that one sale that really makes the difference. It's a treasure hunt. That's the fun of going out and yard selling. So if you are able to do it, if you've got it where you can this time of year, you know what? Still go out and about. And if it's slow like it is now, that's okay, because you can use this time to take your time, go through it, pick up items, check out their sale price on eBay or Amazon and get a better idea of what you can actually make on them. So use that to your advantage. So, but anyway, this is Jason Vaughn with Life After the Before Photo. Please, again, like, subscribe, and share this post, and I will see you soon.